25,000 elephants are being killed every year for their ivory. This is a horrible crime that needs to stop. Elephants are in increasing danger of extinction due to poaching. The World Wildlife Fund lists them as a vulnerable species. We need to do something about it. Something about elephants.
China is one of the world's biggest consumers of ivory. China buys almost half of the world's ivory per year. In China, demand for ivory has multiplied because a growing number of the Chinese are able to afford ivory. However, 90% of China's ivory is illegal. In 2008, sites agreed to sell the ivory that they had seized to China. They hoped that a large amount of legal, cheap ivory would discourage illegal poachers. Instead, carvers and collectors used the ivory as a cover to buy illegal ivory. This led to even more poaching in Africa due to the demand.
Elephant tusks are prized because they are the biggest source of ivory, and because they use their tusks so much, the enamel has already worn off. Other sources of ivory include whale teeth, narwhal tusks, and walrus tusks. Elephant ivory is also valued because it's easier to carve than any other form of ivory. Elephants are valuable to the ecosystem because they reduce tree densities and clear out the underbrush to make room for animals to live and survive. They help form many different savanna habitats. They make caves when they dig for minerals that they need to survive. Their caves lead villagers to valuable natural resources. Elephants are also an important part of the food chain. The animals in Africa would lose their biodiversity if elephants were all killed off.
Elephants are gentle giants that are led by a matriarch. Tribes consist of female elephants and their calves. Male elephants travel separately from the group. One calf is born every 4 to 5 years to a female. Their gestation period is 22 months long. That is the longest gestation period of any mammal. Calves are cared for by their mother and the other elephants. Elephants can weigh 4 to 6 tons. They can also attain a height of 18 to 24 feet. Elephants are being killed every day. In 2011, the site's official statistician announced that it was highly likely that 25,000 African elephants had been killed that year. It is hard to count the number of forest elephants due to their habitat. However, in between 2002 and 2011, forest elephant numbers dropped by 62%. That means that more than half of forest elephants have died over the past 10 years. Most of these deaths were caused by guns. There are other methods to capture elephants as well.
Many measures are being taken to prevent poachers from killing the elephants. Rangers are set up around the boundaries of parks to prevent poachers from getting through or escaping. Many smugglers are being caught and given jobs at the park so they can protect the elephants, not harm them. The World Wildlife Fund is also involving villagers in elephant conservation in a way that is profitable to them. The World Wildlife Fund also allows you to adopt an elephant to raise money and help save that elephant and keep the elephants alive for future generations to come. Thank you for watching our video on African elephants and why they are killed. If you wish to help and donate to this cause, please go to the WWF website. This will help stop poaching, and that will help our ecosystem. Thank you for helping and taking your time to watch this video.